Hello everybody, it's so lovely to see you all again. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to help you with something that I know some of you have trouble with, and that is using match, suit, fit, and go well with. So do these shoes match this jacket? Do these shoes suit this jacket? Do these shoes fit this jacket? Or do these shoes go well with this jacket? So which one or which ones are correct? Let's find out together. Firstly, we're going to look at clothes and things that we wear, like accessories, jewelry. These expressions are mostly used with these things. However, after we will look at some other ideas such as music, jobs, etc. Now you're buying some new shoes and you're worried if they will match your dress. So you're worried whether the shoes are the same or similar color, style or design. Or you're buying a tie and you're worried if it matches your suit. So maybe the pattern, is the pattern similar? So match means the same or similar in a style, a pattern or a color. And we use this with something matches something. I'm so glad my new red shoes match my red dress perfectly. The stripes on this tie match my pinstripe suit. What other examples can you think of? Write in the comments below. Now you're looking in the mirror, you're trying on a new shirt or something. Does it suit me? Here we are asking if the color or the style suits your personality. So it looks good on you, it's good for you. So imagine you're out with some friends, you've just got a new haircut and you want to ask their opinions about your haircut. Does it suit me? Does it look good on me? Suit, in the case of clothing, means that some style, color, etc. is good with your personality. And we say something suits someone. So this haircut suits me. If we talk about things, so a furniture with a room or a song with someone's mood, how they feel, then we can say something suits something. But let's just look at clothes for now. Wow, Kate, I love your new haircut. It really suits you. Nice. That bright pink shirt really suits your style. Now imagine you're at a shop, a clothing shop, and you're just trying on some jeans. Do they fit you? So are they the right size or the right shape? Or if you're looking for some boots, but they are only available in a size that's bigger than you usually get, will they fit you? So will the size be good on you? And if something fits you, it is of course the correct size and the correct shape. And we use something fits someone. But in the case of objects, we can say something fits somewhere. But again, we'll look at that at the end of the video. I think these boots are a bit big. Do you have any in a smaller size? These jeans fit me perfectly around the waist. And the length is great too. Moving on. So you're out with some friends, you're walking past a jewelry store, you see some earrings that you really like. I wonder if these will go well with my necklace. Or there's a sale at Uniqlo and you really need a coat. You try it on and, well, I like the color, but will it go well with my jacket? So go well we use when two things are good together. So something goes well with something. Hey, I bought those earrings I saw. They go well with the necklace I got for my birthday. And often we do say go well with, but we can also shorten that to go with. Hey, I bought those earrings I saw. They go nicely with the necklace I got for my birthday. I was worried that the coat wouldn't go well with my jacket because of the design, but it actually does. So the design was a little bit different to the jacket, but they go well together. They look good together. Now, I hope you have a clearer idea of how to use match, suit, fit, and go well with. So let's look at the original questions from the start of the video. Do these shoes match this jacket? Is this correct? Yes, it is. If you're asking about the color or the style. So the style or the color of the shoes and the jacket are similar or the same. How about, do these shoes suit this jacket? What do you think? Remember, something suits someone. Here we are talking about two objects. So no, this sentence doesn't sound right. How about, do these shoes fit this jacket? What do you think? Remember, something fits someone in the case of clothes. So it's not correct. But you could say, this fits me, the shoes fit me, the jacket fits me. So, do these shoes fit me would be correct. And do these shoes go well with this jacket or go with this jacket? What do you think? Remember, something goes well with something. So yes, it is correct. It sounds good. They look good together. Remember, two things. As opposed to suit. Something suits someone. In this case, something goes well with something. What are some other examples you can think of with clothing using match, suit, fit, go well with? Let me know below in the comments. As promised, let's have a quick look at some other topics such as food, music, furniture, jobs, etc. In the case of food, we could say this sauce goes well with the meat. So something goes well with something. In the case of fish and chips, fish goes well with chips. You could probably say that two flavors match if they are very similar or the same, but we don't really use this. So I think go with or goes well with is the best one to use for food. Now for music, you could say this song really matches my mood. So maybe it's a song with a happy feeling and you feel happy, so they go together. You could say generally, this music suits me, so it's good with your usual style or personality. So now imagine, still with music, that you're at a wedding reception or something and you've all had a little bit to drink and the DJ starts playing some ABBA, maybe Dancing Queen or something. I'm sure you know it. You could say this music really suits the atmosphere. Everyone is up and dancing. Using fit with music doesn't sound right. This music fits me is not used. Also, we don't use goes well with music either. Okay, how about furniture or something in the room? So if you look around your room, what do you see? When we talk about furniture or things in a room, then we use this the same as clothes. But instead of a person, we talk about things in relation to the room. So the curtains match the carpet. They are similar in maybe in style or pattern or color. The sofa fits nicely in the corner. So the size and the shape are good for the corner. Imagine you bought a dining table and some chairs, but you bought them separately, so you're not quite sure. It turns out that the chairs go well with the table, so they look good together. They might be a different colors or design, but they look good together. If we talk about wallpaper, we could say the wallpaper suits the room. So it has a similar feeling or atmosphere to the room. It looks good in the room. Finally, what about a person and a job? You could say his skills match what we are looking for. So both are similar. His skills and the skills required for the job. So they match. Her personality fits the position. So imagine she is filling a gap or a space in the company. So her personality and what is required at the company are kind of the same shape. You have to think like that. Or we can say the hours fit her lifestyle. So in this case, we're thinking along the lines of a schedule or a schedule. So the amount of time required for the job is the same as the amount of time she has in her schedule. Now imagine you're going for a gardening job and you really like being outdoors or you really like working with plants. Maybe you have a green thumb. We could say this job really suits me. I love being outdoors. So it's good for you. It's good for your personality, your style. It's good. That is the end of everything in this video. Thank you so much if you stayed with me for the whole video. I really appreciate your support. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment below about any suggestions, any ideas, any questions that you have for me, or any other examples on how to use match, suit, fit, or go well with. Thank you again so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in the next video. See you.